Alright, go use it, boy. Go use it. Hopefully y'all can see me good. This is a horrible day for me. Due to the devastation of my garden. I'm going to show y'all the damage. Hopefully I'm in the shot. I'm going to show y'all the damage the raccoons did to my melons. It's ridiculous. So let's see the damage together for the first time. I walked out here last night, seen some red, and I knew they bust open my damn melons. So let's see. So they moved the, so here's my, so under here is the cantaloupe. They took it under there, they was eating it. Look at my watermelon, y'all. Busted wide open. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. This what happens. Decimated. This what happened when you got raccoons. They came back here and they ravaged my melons. Look at this. So that's one. Look, here go two. Look at this. Look, they done messed up my tomato trees too. Horrible. Horrible. Child. Them. So I guess they really couldn't, I guess they couldn't get this one for real. No, they did. They did. Look at that one. Took it in. Took it in. So let me get past these. Let me see if these damaged. I'm so mad. Y'all don't know how pissed off I am. Out of all the melons that's growing, I wanted them sugar babies. So I still got this honeydew here. Hopefully, let me check it. I don't know if I still have it. It's almost right. I can't. It's not like I can. Oh no, it's not. The tentacle still. I don't know if y'all can see that. The tentacle right here is still green. So that's not right. It's big. I might not, the spider web. I might not be able to get that one. They might eat that one. I'm so irritated, y'all. I got another one here. I'm so irritated. I have, they ate the one that was growing. It was another honeydew. I got one hanging that I'm about to wrap up. I'm about to put this one before it tear off. It doubled the size since yesterday. I'm gonna have to get some tulle I got and make a little nest so it can just hang in the tulle. I'm gonna do that now. But I just wanted to show y'all. I just wanted to show y'all the devastation the raccoons made in my garden. It is, baby. They was not playing with me. I think another one dropped. I got another honeydew over here drop. I knew I did. I seen it through my bathroom window. But I'm very upset. I'm very upset. Oh my God. Them was the only two. These were the only two watermelons I had, y'all. So I won't be having any watermelons. So it's over for that. Oh my God. So this is the devastation. Look at this. They don't ravage. Look at what they did to my God. Look what they did to my tomato trees, y'all. They straight ravage my garden. It's so ridiculous. I'm so irritated. I'm so irritated. I got to pick. They about to tear my. It's still holding on strong. The tomato tree. I do have to harvest. I'll make a harvest video. I felt some raindrops. It might be raining today, y'all. So I'm gonna come back out here. cut the, get rid of the melons. Is they broke? Okay. But this is the devastation. The devastation to my melons. Look what they did. Look at this. They done freaking literally, they done try to break my tree to get to the melon back here. Wow, that's amazing. I'm so free. This is, gardening is not always pretty. When you live, not even in the South, when you have animals and stuff like that, little raccoons, possums, or whatever, and your melons get ripe or whatever get ripe that smell good to them, you might come out here one day and see this. See the devastation. Look, this is my first time gardening. I don't know anything about trapping raccoons. I'm not even trying to trap a raccoon. I'm from the city. I'm not from the South, okay? Hopefully this is a good shot and y'all can see me. I'm not from the South, so leave Armor, shout out, okay? Where you at? I'm gonna need somebody to trap these raccoons. I'm so irritated. I'm so irritated. My dog is under my, he's sniffing for him. He's under my, deck. He mad, okay? He ain't even get to taste that watermelon, okay? Oh my God, oh my God. Man, I don't know what to do. Where do you plant melons? Because apparently the raccoons like them. And they gonna tear your garden up just to get them. So this is something that you have to watch out for. I remember last year when I tried to do a late summer garden. This is around the time the raccoons came, and I couldn't even get the melons this far along to produce before they came and just had a little feast in my container garden and ate the melons, the little melons that was growing. They ate it last year. So I don't know what to do about that besides trapping them, and I'm not trying to trap no raccoon, no possum. That's not my forte. Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna have to deal with this. Maybe plant them earlier. I don't know what to do about that. If y'all have any suggestions, comment below. What should you do about raccoons, possums, or other big animals that eats up your melons? Anyway, let's take a last look at the devastation. Hopefully they don't get my my honeydews. Hopefully they don't get my honeydews. I don't have high hope for those. I really don't. But I am gonna come out here and harvest some tomatoes since they red and ripe. And wow, the carnage. It's all I can say. They almost tore my trees down to get to these melons. So the trees looking a little raggedy. But they still good. Nothing's broken that I can see so far with the tomatoes trees. So they good so far. I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna throw the melons. Some of them are still attached to the vine. I'm gonna cut it off. God damn. Got watermelon juice everywhere. I am livid. Because I wanted to eat the watermelons. Man, look. Okay, so. Thank you for watching. I got it out the soil. Just know in gardening, everything don't go as planned. And you just got to keep moving, just like everything else. When stuff in life happen, adversity, you have to just move forward and keep going, okay? I would not let this deter me from gardening. I love gardening. It was a wonderful experience, and I'm going to continue to do it. But you do have things that set you back, and this is one of them. So I'm not going to let it deter me. I'm going to keep getting it out the soil. And apparently these animals going to keep getting it out my garden, okay? I don't know. Hopefully they don't. Uh-oh. My dog might have found something. I don't know. He's acting a little weird over there. But what I was saying threw me off. Anyway, thank you for watching. I got it out the soil. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you messing with the content, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so every time I drop a video, you'll know. But remember, through adversity, keep going and keep getting it out the soil. Until next time, peace. See you in the next video.